Hi everybody, thank you for joining my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. That's going to be the red R towards the bottom right. In this video, we're going to go over the error code 933. Now, before we start getting into this code and getting into the maintenance menu, please don't forget to call RICOH tech support, have them start a case, have them troubleshoot with you a little bit just to make sure that nothing else is happening besides what I'm going to show you in this video. We don't want to avoid any kind of warranties by, tinkering with the unit or, doing troubleshooting on our own. We want to make sure you guys call RICOH, start a case with them. That way you don't void any kind of warranties. Alright guys, so with that being said, let's get started. Once again, we're going to go over the error code 933. Now what that means is your cleaner bottle has gone empty. So if your bottle is empty, some air got into your lines, which is creating low pressure. First thing we're going to do is we're going to refill this bottle with some cleaner. We're going to close it up. We're going to go to our display screen and we're going to check the value of our pressure. To do that, we're going to tap one tap above ink path, twice above options, once below option, once below ink path. We're going to go to printer system. We're going to go to subcontrol checker here, check subcontrol board. We're going to press select and we're going to scroll down on this. Now it's a neat trick. Some of you guys might not know, I have mine on a mouse. That helps me navigate my screen a little easier. And I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. As you can see in my value here, that's pretty good, 400s. If you see 300s, that's kind of low. Definitely want to be above 400, okay? So now to get out of this menu, we're going to go ahead and just tap out of it. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to purge our system. Okay, so we're going to keep an eye on these lines right here, this blue line. Make sure there's not air gaps in there. You can follow around the back of the subcontrol board. Alright, so let's go ahead and purge this line. Okay, back again into our service menu. We're going to scroll down until we see wiper cleaner settings. Right there. It's going to be 2-26. We're going to press select. And then to purge the system, we're going to press run. What that's going to do, it's going to jet a little bit of cleaner out by the wiper. Let me see if I can zoom in so you guys can see what that looks like. Okay guys, ready? And 3, 2, and 1. So you see a little bit of cleaner gets jetted in there. Now we want to keep doing this until we get all the air out of the line. Then we can go ahead and power the unit down, power it back up. And we're going to check our pressure settings. So if I hit return here, return, we're going to pretend that I shut it down. I'm back into my maintenance menu. I'm going to press printer system, check subcontrol board, select, and I'm going to scroll down on my screen. And as you can see now, my pressure has gone up to 500. Okay. So once your pressure has gone up and you remove all the air from the line, you're ready to go, guys. Thank you for joining me, guys. Once again, you guys might need to do this a couple of times to get all that air out of there. And then after you get the air out of it, you're going to went ahead and power cycle it. Alright guys, thank you for joining me today. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave us some comments, let us know what kind of videos you guys want to see next. And hopefully we'll get those posted. Thank you and have a good day.